Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset color settings in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for settings. Once you do that, just click on open. And then on this part, we're going to click on system. After that, look for display and then click it. And then in this part, just scroll down and then look for advanced display. So click on that and then click on display adapter properties for display one. So click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click on color management. After that, click on color management right here. And then in this part, we're going to click on advanced. And then we're going to click on change system defaults. After that, we're going to click on advanced once again. And then we're going to check this use Windows display calibration. After that, just click on close and then click on close once again. And then after that, in this part, just click on OK. Once you do that, just restart your PC by going here. And then once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.